In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable features in Notion AI 2026. Whether you're working on blog posts, meeting notes, emails, or project documents, Notion AI can help make your content clearer, more professional, and easier to read. To get started, open Notion and navigate to the page where you want to improve your writing. This can be an existing document or a brand new page. Once you're there, check the page title and update it if necessary so it accurately reflects your content. Next, scroll down to the text you'd like to improve. Click inside the paragraph or sentence you want Notion AI to work on. You can select a specific section or simply place your cursor in the text block. Now open the Notion AI menu. Depending on your setup, you can access it through the AI button, the slash command, or the prompt menu. From the list of options, select Improve Writing. Notion AI will instantly analyze your text and generate a cleaner, more polished version while keeping the original meaning intact. Review the suggestion carefully and compare it with your original content. If you're satisfied with the result, click Accept to replace the existing text. If you'd like a different version, you can run the Improve Writing feature again or make manual edits. You can repeat this process throughout your document to improve multiple sections and maintain a consistent writing style across your workspace. And that's it. That's how to use Notion AI to improve your writing. This simple feature can save time, reduce editing effort, and help you create more professional content directly inside Notion. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Notion and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.